Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best slackline kits that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Zero Gravity Deluxe Slackline Kit. For easy portability of the slackline, you need to consider one that comes with a carrying bag. Here is one great pick that features a convenient carrying bag for efficient portability. Besides this, it is a complete kit with a number of items needed for the training. For example, it has upgraded ratchets and tree protectors. The cost-effective slackline kit also serves for years since it has been built from superior quality. It suits both adults and kids, which makes it a versatile kit to try out. Moving on at number 4, we have Exposed Gear Slackline Kit. Irrespective of your skill levels, this is an excellent kit that will perfectly suit your balance training. The kit contains all the necessary equipment that suits beginners and experts. Other than this, it also provides you with a 1-inch training line for quality and reliable services. The kit also has a quality-grade ergo ratchet that lasts longer. It also features a handle forged for a comfy shape and size for easy handling. The items in the kit are highly durable, hence assures of long-term service. At number 3, we have Zen Monkey Slackline Kit. The process of setting up the slackline is a consideration to look out for when buying the kit. Here is one excellent kit that you can easily set up in minutes for great fun. It is known for enhancing the balancing skills both in kids and adults, hence widely applicable. In addition to this, it also serves for years due to superior construction. The slackline kit provides you with all the items that you may need for the training. To begin with, it has a long-lasting ratchet and training line. Other than this, it also has an arm trainer and tree protectors. At number 2, we have Slackline Industries Baseline Slackline Complete Kit. Apart from aiding in improving the balance, this is a versatile slackline that will boost the overall health and core strength. This means that it is more reliable and ideal for beginners and intermediates. It consists of all the equipment that you will need for the training. For example, it has a thicker weaver for easy walking and getting started plus 2-inch wide slackline. Other than this, the kit is easily portable thanks to the carrying bag included. The easy-to-use slackline provides a lot of fun as you improve the balance. And finally at number 1, Trailblaze Complete Slackline Kit. For easy training, always check out for the length and weight capacity of the slackline you wish to buy. This is a sturdy and stable slackline that can support up to 300 pounds, hence ideal for both kids and adults. Besides this, it has a length of 50 feet long, which provides adequate walking length from one side to the other. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.